Hi guys, so this is my analysis on gold. Currently we're on 4 hour chart, so I would have to go to the lower time frame, which is a 1 hour time frame, to see what's currently happening. Right, so we saw gold within the last week or thereabout. Gold took some unprecedented move upwards, and here you can see the shootout we had here. Now this long green week was the shootout we had last week, and then after that, that was when it touched gold touched $231, over $231 and $232, so to say. And from then it's actually been consolidating, it's been correcting. So my view right now is that looking at this, you can see this channel that was formed there, this current channel that good formed there. So it's been a descending channel all along, and then up until this morning where we saw gold break above the channel. Okay, let's use the trend line to denote it. We saw gold broke above that channel, and then started going up. It started going up, forming another trend line here. This line has been serving as its support. Now what I think is that after gold broke out, that currently gold is actually coming for a retest. And where do I think that this retest, where do I think gold will fall to before continuing its journey upwards? And to do that, we need to look at this trend line here, this current trend line. Okay, we need to look at it. Let me denote it with a different color. Okay, this is a trend line. We need to look at it and see what happened. That it has actually been serving as a resistance all along. You can see when you backdate the chart, you can see that it's been serving as a resistance. I think gold is actually coming down, and so where I think it will settle before continuing its journey upwards. So let me use the lower time frame, which is the 15-minute chart, to calculate where I think gold will rest before continuing its journey upwards. So let's use ray let's use horizontal line. Okay, let's use horizontal ray to denote where I think gold will get to before continuing upwards. So I'm looking at gold getting to somewhere around 1993 or thereabout. Yeah, somewhere around there. I think gold will fall to somewhere around 1993 or thereabout before continuing its journey upward. So I'm looking at putting a buy around this 1994. That's where I'll be placing my buy, because I think this current sale will continue until eventually comes to this 1993. So if I'm putting my buy around this 1993, where do I think my stop loss should be in case it gets there? Instead of continuing upwards, it started going down. So if it eventually gets there and then it doesn't continue going up, I'll be putting my stop loss somewhere around. Let's also use the same ray. Okay, let's use the same ray. I will put in my stop loss somewhere around 1990. Yeah, somewhere around there. That's where my stop loss should be. That's where I would want my stop loss to be, somewhere around 1990 or 1990.32, or I would just put it at 1990. So to be on the safer side, I would put my stop loss at 1990. That's where I would put my stop loss. So that's my analysis on gold. I'll talk to you soon.